mountains you see the grazing cows. When you go to the mountains you hear the cowbells ring. When you say hello to the cows, they say moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo.
A couple of weeks ago, I was at another Paint and Quaff Party workshop. This time, we weren't creating a landscape, it was learning how to capture the personality of a Highland cow.
And around, so you can see it's deeper here. Narrow, 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 deep.
That's banana.
Banana. Or clown's face. Or something like that. That's what we're aiming for. Or a sad face. So we're going for smiley face. Okay, so that's the first part.
We marked out the basic shapes of the cow's head and put them in proportion to its nose and horns.
Mine just got rosebud lips. There's a couple of hills there.
That's it, exactly. Again, you're gonna just fix it. You're gonna just paint. This is just a guide. I'm going to also give you some burnt sienna and some red and some buff titanium. Okay. In fact, we'll maybe leave the buff titanium just now. I don't think we need that. What we do need though are the dark colours. So what we're going to do is we're now going to paint in a sheet. Okay, so we'll start with the horns. Okay, we're using the edge of the brush. See that? With his mouth, you can change the shape of doing this. But at the minute, we're going to paint. I'm probably going to change the shape of the nostrils because they're more a kind of a flick shape. They kind of come out and then back in again. They're a funny shape. Remember, the nose is going to be different colours, okay? So it's not going to be all the one flat colour, the nose. So, yes? So if you're going to... So I was going to say, don't use brown too much. You want yellow and red and a touch of brown. That's
now use too much
shade.
brown.
Yeah, that's good. Excellent. Yes, good. So I would just use red with that.
Everyone's cows were coming on a treat.
Okay, we're not going to use too much of the dark. So see the colour that you had mixed just previously? You just want a little bit of that. I mean a little. You can see there, look, that's a tiny bit, okay? Tiniest bit. And then you're going to take a dod. Okay, a dod. You're going to use your thin brush. You're going to take a dod of the Naples yellow, the custard, and then you're just going to mix it in very slightly. But again, you know, we can do similar in another first brush. See what you're thinking. They all look different, but all look brilliant.
Did you finish
I think
white?
Yeah, use mine.
give a wee bit of light. I think it's quite dark. What do you think? It's up to you, because obviously it's your food. You know, have a
Once we started working on the hair, the individual personality started to show through. We all fell in love with our hairy coos and had another lovely lesson from Christine.